Hi everybody, my name is Amber Daniels and I'm excited to be in this current course. Currently I work as a child welfare professional, so with that I have a lot of experience. I've been there for just made 11 years on Monday, and before then I was a school worker professional. So my three assets, the first one I would say is that I'm very good with being empathetic. I have a lot of empathy and I like to kind of try to see things from different angles to get a general idea of why people think the way they do things that they do. It's just I'm very empathetic on people's experiences. My second one would be that I feel that I'm very resourceful. I like to be resourceful. Being as I'm a child welfare professional, you have to be very resourceful. You have to know a lot of different resources, whether it be mental health, whether it be drugs, whether it be housing. So you have to be resourceful. And my last one I would say is that I'm very open for critique and support and help. Like I like to talk to people and get their input on certain topics, whether it be child rearing, whether it be disciplining, whether it be just cook. It could be anything. Like I like to hear how other people would tackle a problem because it gives me an idea of how people think, and it also keeps me open to different perspectives of people. So I look forward to working with you all in this course, and I'll be speaking with you all soon.